everyone, welcome back to my channel. The title of the problem that we are going to solve today is helping chef. Well, I suppose this is one of the easiest problems that I've ever seen. It will not take much time to solve. As we do all the time, first we'll read and understand the problem, later we will understand the logic by the given example. Coming to the problem, we have to write a program which takes an integer n, and if the number is less than 10, then display "Thanks for helping chef." Otherwise, print -1. Quite simple, right? So coming to the input, the first line contains an integer t, where t is nothing but total number of test cases. Then follow t lines, each line contains an integer n. Output. Coming to the output, for each test case, output the given string or -1 depending on the conditions in a new line. Perfect. And coming to the constraints, t ranges from 1 to 1000 and n ranges from -20 to 20. Got it. Example. In the example, we have input and output, and in input, the first line is 3, where 3 is nothing but test cases. Means we are going to take 3 inputs here. So in the first line, we got 1, in the second line, we got 12, and in the third line, we got -5. And the condition is, if those numbers are less than 10, we have to print "Thanks for helping chef." If those numbers are not less than 10, then we have to print -1, right? Quite simple. Coming to the coding part, first we will take the test case as input. So test case equal to int of input. For underscore in range of test case, take integer as input, n equal to int of input. If n is less than 10, we have to print the string "Thanks for helping chef." You better copy the string as it is from the question and paste it. If you type it yourself, you may keep some uppercase or lowercase. Sometimes the editor will not accept even when the string is not correct. To avoid that, just copy the string and paste it here. If it's done, coming to the else part, we have to print -1, right? So we are going to print -1. We can keep -1 in quotes, or even we can print -1 just like that, even without quotes. Now check whether the code is working or not by giving custom input. If you have any errors, let me know by comments, and you can even ping me on Instagram. If you like the video, then hit that cute little like button, because that motivates me to make more interesting technical stuff for you. Thank you.